Hi everyone, my name is Julia. In this video, I will show you how to make this fun summer swag. You will need a large bowdabra bow maker, wire, and ribbon. All this you can purchase on the bowdabra website. Let's begin by folding our wire in half and placing it inside the bow maker. This is a very important step to begin making your bow. That way you can tie it when you're done. Now let's add the greenery into the bow maker. You will add the greenery to both sides of the bow maker. And try to make a shape like an oval shape. You can use as much greenery as you will like, but because I want to make a small swag, I'm not going to add a lot of greenery. So this will be the top side and this is the bottom. Now let's make our bow. You can make your bow separately or you can make your bow attached to the bow maker with your swag. I will be using 2 pieces of ribbon. They measure about 10 inches. And then I will be adding a 42-inch piece of ribbon into the bow maker. This is going to be used to make the loops for our bow. When placing your ribbon, make sure that the print of the ribbon is always facing up. So you will always need to make a twist every time you do a new loop. Now let's add our last piece of ribbon. It measures around 10 inches long. And this is going to be the loop that will be on top of our bow. And finally, we will press it down to make sure it's all tight. And let's get ready to tie our mini swag. We're going to make a few knots on the back of the swag. So this is how it looks, and now let's fluff the bow. So this is one way you can use your mini swag. This is a mini lantern that I have. And this is one way you can use it to decorate your lantern. You can use it this way. You can either use it vertical or horizontal. I also have this larger lantern, and the same way you can decorate it by using it vertical or horizontal. So that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it.